Statistical probability tells us that we should not be alone. In a universe with trillions of galaxies and sextillions of stars, the ingredients for life are everywhere. Yet when we point our telescopes at the sky, we hear nothing but silence. This is the Fermi Paradox, but there is a theory that explains this silence in a way that is deeply unsettling. It's called the Great Filter. It suggests that every civilization hits a wall, a barrier so difficult to cross that it leads to total extinction. The question is, have we already passed it, or is our end just around the corner? The Great Filter is a stage in a civilization's development that is almost impossible to survive. It could be something in our past, like the jump from single-celled organisms to complex life, which took billions of years on Earth. If that's the filter, then we are lucky. We are the only ones who made it. But what if the filter is still ahead of us? What if every time a civilization becomes advanced enough to travel to the stars, it inadvertently creates the technology that destroys it? Nuclear war, rogue AI, or a lab-grown plague, these are the filters we are facing right now. Some scientists suggest an even darker version. Perhaps the filter isn't a natural disaster, but a predator. Imagine the universe as a dark forest at night. Every civilization is an armed hunter, creeping through the trees. If they find another hunter, their first instinct isn't to say hello, it's to fire, out of fear that the other will fire first. If this is true, the reason we haven't found aliens is because they are all hiding, terrified of being seen. And here we are, broadcasting our location to the void like a child screaming in the dark. If we ever find evidence of a dead civilization on Mars or a distant moon, it would be the worst news in human history. It would mean the filter is ahead of us, and we are destined to fail just like them. For now, the silence of the universe remains our greatest mystery. Is it a sign of our uniqueness, or a warning of our upcoming disappearance? Subscribe to the Orbit Earth as we continue to hunt for the truth. Keep watching the stars, but remember, some silences are meant to be kept.